environment.
Today we're here to say that to rally for the environment, to tell our leaders that we care about the environment, to tell them we care about climate change. All your friends and all your families, the environment matters, climate matters, and we need a government that takes these issues more seriously. Thank you.
I said hello in my Cree language, I'm Nehea. I told you my spirit name. My clan is the Bald Eagle clan. I'm originally from Treaty 5, Fish River Cree Nation. And I'm thankful to the Tories of Hay River. Everybody is dealing with floods and being evacuated from their homes. Take a minute to pray for them and the environment, please. And their knowledge of Indigenous stewardship of the land and environment that protects all living beings and land must be an integral part of moving forward toward a sustainable system. Governments can no longer choose industry over people and the environment, catering to their rich buddies who provide funds for their political campaigns. Like grassy narrows who are suffering from mercury poisoning due to the impacts from a pulp and paper mill that dumped poison into the Wabigoon River. That poison trickled into their water. Industry is again waiting to extract resources that will still impact those Indigenous communities and leave the environment and wildlife devastated and with the poison are being negatively impacted due to unpredictable weather patterns. Affordable housing, food security, living wages, and water and environmental protection now.
You